The draft law discussed at the Oli Majlis addresses investor concerns and removes some restriction of their activities. It introduces guarantees to protect investment activities from unjustified inspections. Additionally, the required share of foreign investors and enterprises operating in Uzbekistan is being reduced. Moreover, the land use period for foreign investors in Uzbekistan is being extended.
Qonun loyihasida chet el investitsiyalar ishtirokidagi
The draft law proposes reducing the foreign investment share in enterprises from 15% to 10%. Additionally, the term of land use for foreign investors, currently 25 years, is planned to be extended to 49 years. This document allows for resolving investment disputes based on internationally recognized standards, removing restrictions on investors' access to international arbitration institutions. After discussions, the draft law was adopted in the first reading. Another proposed law aims to introduce microfinance banks, creating a legal basis for transforming microfinance organizations into microfinance banks. This will elevate microfinance banks to the level of commercial ones.
Amalda mana mikromoliyaviy tashkilotlarni tashkil etish uchun
2 billion authorized capitals were attracted to establish microfinance organizations, and commercial banks were established with 500 billion authorized capital. Now the creation of a microfinance bank with a capital of 50 billion soums has been submitted to the draft law. The draft law outlines the capabilities, rights and obligations of this microfinance banking institution. Microfinance banks, like commercial ones, are given various opportunities to serve the population.
mikromoliya banki shunday imkoniyat beriladiki, endilikda
Microfinance banks can now attract deposits from both individuals and businesses. The draft law allows them to provide banking services under certain restrictions. Specifically, they can issue loans up to 5 billion soums to businesses, but the total amount of loans to businesses cannot be less than 70% of their loan portfolio. Deputies stated that adopting the draft law will meet the demand for local financial services and increase the use of microfinance services in the regions. The bill passed its first reading.